They need to do better.
Yeah.
We are look for we government to do better.
What do you think about the government taxing us after a major hurricane?
Government can contact we after this a major hurricane. Everybody lose everything where they have and we don't get back together yet. So how if you put in
Yeah.
tax?
Yeah.
Tell me the truth.
Yeah, that's not right.
It can't right. The government have to do something better. And we put him in, and we see him when we take him out back.
Yeah. So you say you got tax like rum, cigarette, and sugary drinks. But you must say you have your own good health. You feel like you just a tax the things that we buy often or then care about we health.
I don't really well, they don't care about, them I use that as fake.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because them we have to care about free health ourselves.
Yeah.
But I just the tax. Where them a bill up and we can't afford it.
Yeah.
We just had to go through this major disaster
Yeah.
and we need to set back we self.
Yeah.
We are Jamaican. And we mean so we are Jamaican. Everybody know say Jamaica. We have the full profile.
Yeah.
So we need to set ourselves before a government come up with tax business.
Yeah.
Food, you have to look back and say the amount of food we use in Jamaica and all this something and they still import food that come out Jamaica, yeah. They need to do better.
Yeah.
We are look for we government to do better angle with better.
Yeah.
Right.
So with the state of the economy and the cost of living, you feel like say now at the right time for the Prime Minister accept the increase within salary?
With film salary.
Yeah.
So what happened to full salary? You have to tell we about full salary first.
Yeah.
Because they can't just increase for them salary, and then I look for full salary
Yeah.
and them increase tax for we.
Yeah.
That can't right.
All right. Thank you. Yeah. All right.